Hey guys, the creator of Los Angeles Crime did not release version 1.8, but to provide entertainment to his Los Angeles player, he releases version 1.7.3. So guys, in this video I am going to show you the gameplay of Los Angeles Crime version 1.7.3. Guys, before we get started, please subscribe to my channel. It will not take you much time, but it will a lot mean for me. And also tap on the bell icon so you will never miss any update from this channel. Now without doing any further delay, let me show you the gameplay and updates of this version.